Hello kids! Are you ready for something super fun? Today we are going to learn about emotions. Yes, emotions. The feelings inside our hearts. Look at the board. It says learn emotions. Let us explore them together. First is joy. Joy means feeling happy. Like when you get a gift. Or when you play with your best friend. Smile big. That is joy. Now sadness. Sadness is when you feel a little down. Like when your toy breaks. Or when someone you love goes away. It is okay to feel sad. Everyone feels sad sometimes. Next is anger. Anger is when you feel mad. Like when someone takes your turn. Your face feels hot. Your hands feel tight. Take a deep breath. And calm down. Now fear. Fear is when you feel scared. Like hearing a loud noise. Or seeing something new. Fear helps keep us safe. But remember. You are brave. While surprise. Surprise is when something happens suddenly. Like a birthday party. Or a pop sound. Your eyes go big. And you say wow. Now trust. Trust means believing in someone. Like your parents. Your teacher. Or your best friend. Trust makes us feel safe. Disgust. Disgust is when something feels yucky. Like bad food. Or a bad smell. Your face goes like this. Yuck. Anticipation. That is a big word. Anticipation means waiting excitedly. Like waiting for a trip. Or your favorite cartoon. You feel excited inside. Acceptance. Acceptance means saying okay. Even if things are different. It means being kind. And understanding. And last, remorse. Remorse means feeling sorry. When we make a mistake. Saying sorry helps us grow. And become better. Wow! You did amazing. Now you know emotions. Remember. All feelings are okay. They help us learn. They help us grow. See you next time. Bye bye kid.